Okay, so this video is going to be on practice with solving exponential equations. Okay, so here's the first one here. Go ahead and pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing I noticed here is the left side. All my bases are the same, and we're multiplying, so that means I can add my exponents. So here I have 7 to the 4x squared plus 4x plus x is equal to 1/7. Okay, here are my exponents. I know I can combine my terms. So then I'm going to have 7 to the 4x squared plus 5x is equal to 1/7. Okay, now I'm going to focus on this right side here. So remember, I want my bases to be the same. Well, I like this 7 here, but I need to be it on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a negative exponent like that. And now I can rewrite this as 7 to the 4x squared plus 5x is equal to 7 to the negative first. Now my bases are the same, so that means my exponents have to be the same. So I can set them equal to each other. So I have 4x squared plus 5x is equal to negative 1. I'm going to get this equation equal to 0. I'm going to add 1. Then I have 4x squared plus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I can factor this. This factors to 4x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Set both of these equal to 0. I get x is equal to negative 1/4 and x is equal to negative 1. There's my answer. Okay, and remember, I don't have to check for extraneous solutions for this one because I did not start with a log equation. Okay, so there's the first one. Okay, second problem. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So remember what this problem looks like. Well, it looks like a quadratic. So what we're going to do is we're going to factor. Okay, so I'm going to start with 2 and 1. Underneath here are my different combinations to get to 18. So we have 18 and 1, 1 and 18, 9 and 2, 2 and 9, 6 and 3, and 3 and 6. Okay, then I'm going to cross multiply and find my combination. So here I have 2 and 18, 36 and 1, 4 and 9, 18 and 2, 6 and 6, and then 12 and 3. Okay, remember I'm trying to get to this negative 15. Well, I can't do it with that one. Can't do it with that one. Can't do it with that one. Not this one. Not this one. Okay, this one, if I make them both negative, I can get to that negative 15. So I make both of these negative. There's my combination. I write my answers vertically. Remember, the only difference with this problem, though, is we have e to the x up here. Okay, so I write them vertically. I have 2 e to the x minus 3. 1 e to the x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, then I set both of these equal to 0. So the first one, 2 e to the x minus 3 is equal to 0. I want to get the exponent by itself. So I have the 3, I have the 3, now I have 2 e to the x is equal to 3. Still not by itself, so I have to divide by 2. So here now I have e to the x is equal to 3/2. Now that my exponent is by itself, I can use my log scale. Start with my base. Go to this one, go to that one. Okay, I start with my log. 3/2 x. Remember, log base e, another way we can write it is the natural log of 3/2 is equal to x. There's my answer. Okay, then the second one, we have e to the x minus 6 is equal to 0. add over the 6, e to the x is equal to 6. Exponents by itself, so I can use my log scale. So I have here, here. Okay, I start with my log. E of 6 is equal to x. I can rewrite this as the natural log of 6 is equal to x, and there's my answer. Okay, so for this one, here's my answer, and here's another one of my answers. And that's it.